Hey guys, I'm back with another vlog. Today I'm going to introduce my friend Gautam.
Hello guys,
What is your profession?
I'm a lawyer
Yeah.
and as well as a fitness freak. I've been doing this since very many years,
Yeah.
and running is my forte,
Yeah.
and I'm predominantly a criminal lawyer. So that is a double-edged weapon, both running and being a lawyer,
Yeah.
and a runner as well as a lawyer.
Yeah. And he's a lawyer with lot of knowledge. It's important to take some knowledge from him to grow. So let's talk about how he maintains his stuff, in workouts, and is doing workouts since past 15 years, and it's been 16 years now. So let's ask him how he maintains his workout. But he's little very clean person and having little amounts of food, but in a clean way. I am like I'm a eater. I'm definitely a big eater. Let's ask him and how he maintained himself in past 15 years or 20 years.
Well, my good brother here is certainly eulogizing about me very much, but that's not the case here.
Yeah.
So one thing I would like to suggest to all who are looking at this video is just be true to what you do. That's it. Be it profession or be it workouts. And if you want to achieve something in physicality or something in work-wise, just be true to it. That's it. That's the only motive. And regarding the workouts and regarding diet and all, you need to have a specific regimen, like a strict regimen. You need to follow, you need to predominantly work out for 25 days, like good 100 minutes every day, barring Sundays. And you need to be very serious.
And I have one more question. How do you compare body weight training and weightlifting? See, I do body weight a lot, but still I still love weightlifting too. But no, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Which do you think is more helpful for people on daily basis? I mean, wherever it's possible and more freely, more available. See, they cannot pay for gym fees or they cannot go to gym on regular basis.
It is not debatable, to be frank. Anything which is feasible to you, be it body weight training, be it weightlifting, anything which gives you upliftment, both physical wise as well as spiritual wise. So it's not really that you need to stick on to one particular thing. Thing is, wherever you go, do whatever you feel like doing. But to be fair, body weight training is the ultimate, in my opinion, because you are basically lifting your body. It is the fundamental. So it is the basic thing, like chin-ups, parallel bar, and push-ups. These three predominantly are the three P's, which gives you the boost to do more heavy weights. So if you are adept in doing this, then you can sustain for a long run. Regarding the body weights, I would go for the body weights training rather than lifting heavy weights. So that's it. Thumbs up for body.
So my friend here says that stick to body weight also, as I think I want both body weight as well as I want to stick more to weightlifting, because it's no point sticking to one thing when you have wide varieties. Like you have two things, why to leave both of them? Why not do martial arts? Why not do swimming? Why not do calisthenics? Why not do weightlifting? I do everything.
Yeah.
So
You should be a jack in all.
yeah, jack in all trades.
Yeah.
So I do yoga. I learn from my grandmom. So it's part of learning. You have to learn everything. You don't need to stick weightlifting. I have to go and stick to that. It doesn't matter. You have to do everything. And let's ask my Gautam that how does he think about my videos that I've been posting, and how my networking skill with Matt and any other people?
Well, Midlesh here doing is one hell of a job. I really recommend all the viewers to watch his total erudition on the subject, because he is one of the few guys who has taken it pretty seriously, and he wants to educate the viewers who are watching it more than anything else. There are very many routines he is putting to the fore. I would recommend to anyone who is watching these videos, be it a starter or a pro, because one hell of an awesome work he is doing out there, and you need to watch all his videos, because there is a lot of education in them, apart from so it's not only pertaining to the fitness, but it also but it's also upliftment of certain moves that where we don't see in normal gyms and all. So I don't know much about calisthenics, but even I've been a viewer of these videos, of his videos as of late, and I really educated myself. Even I have a few questions about all those calisthenics that I occasionally ask him. So one, even though I'm not adept in that, but I would recommend all the viewers to watch this, and I find it really helpful, and I find it really useful. And
what my friend says that learn from what others have already learned. Don't need to start from scratch. I am this, I am perfect in this. No one is perfect in anything, right? You just have to adapt and learn stuff. And I've been eating, like, I have my meals so happy, man. See, like, I don't restrict myself. Just now I had one,
he had one burger and 3 pancakes.
3 donuts.
3 donuts rather.
So,
and he is game for another
ice cream.
2 or 3 ice creams.
So, see, I want to enjoy myself and have satisfying meals, rather than, see, compared to supplements, do you think satisfying meals are far better?
Any day.
Yeah.
Any day.
Because I know what I'm eating, guys. I know what I'm eating, so that's why.
What's the point in working out if you aren't having you aren't having your heart out, eat out heartily?
Yeah.
So what's the point?
No
there's-
point.
I don't see anything in it actually. So one needs to eat their heart out heartily and put on the efforts.
What my friend is really saying is that you're putting so much hard work in workouts. Maybe you're spending 5 days a week in the gym and struggling and killing yourself there, but you're not even having a satisfying meals. So there's no point of struggling so much for body and just be scared I gain fat, I lose fat. It is not that. You stick to your calorie count and know what you're eating and have a satisfying meal, so that it will help you achieve your fitness goals. And if you have any other doubts, take my MI Fitness and Physique survey. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and see you guys.
See you guys and
Yeah, my friend wants to suggest a line. Okay.
అలాగే చెప్పాలి.
Okay.